Abraka in Delta State, Nigeria is a home to a lot of beautiful beaches. And Las Vegas is one of them. Rito, plural of beach is beaches, right? Okay. So let's start again.
Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Onweh and I'm a lifestyle content creator. So today I'm in Las Vegas Pirate Beach. Las Vegas Beach is along Old Beanie Road in Abraka, Delta State. So let's go. Say hi, Thompson. Say hi. That's Thompson, my friend.
I'm destroying you.
You're destroying me.
Yeah, you don't be friend like that.
See. So let's go inside.
Yo. Well done, boss. It's fine. Huh?
Yeah. Okay. I wish.
How are you?
Want to buy ice cream for me?
No, you boxed in.
Come now, somebody's baby now.
What I like the beach is that it's not always populated, and so there is freedom, there is privacy. Yes, you have your privacy. Also, you can host your party in the beach. Wait till having your wedding reception in the beach. It's a nice idea. Like it will be so beautiful and colorful. Maybe I should do that.
Can I see me people going for a ride?
Yes. You want to follow us?
No, I dey fear water. I dey fear water.
They fear water.
Maybe I dey ask you permission now. Maybe when I enter. So we are going on a canoe cruise. Say hello.
People they be like this. Hello. Wait what? Yeah, wait what? Oh, she has not snap us. You don't get food. My phone up. You don't get food. Now get up. If I fall, you will not fall. You need bread. They don't say sick card again. No, mona una for wow.
They don't say what?
They don't say sick card. No, mona una for well. Government don't pass sick card. No. Makati fool God. I make another call here. You do the fool like fool. Makati the fool like fool.
This Makati beach. Hello.
They feel us.
You know who we be?
What are they jealous?
it is.
Oh boy, I was my head up, don't collect number like you.
Why did you want to further finish?
You say Fred, don't finish.
Would they call this one small?
But tell me, is that complete?
Eh?
We're not there for yet. We know the
Our waters are not finished now.
Do one, use your brain now. Do one shot, do one shot. You said not the agenda.
So our 1,000 naira has finished. You don't even reach 30 minutes, oh guys. Per trip, where will trip go? Where will trip go? Where will trip go now? Now per trip.
Fresh.
This guy has scam us, so. This guy has scam us, so. We're just back.
So who goes to the beach without taking picture? Definitely not me. I took lots of pictures. Wait, if you attended Delta State University, Abraka, and you never visited any of the beach, hello, wait till you again. See, go return your certificates.
After party.
Please like this video. Which of the beach have you visited in Abraka, Delta State? Which of the beach have you visited in Nigeria or any other part of the world? Please write in the comment section. Which other beach do you want me to visit? What do you do when you go to the beach? Yeah, what do you do when you go to the beach? How often do you go to the beach? Thanks for watching. This is Onweh signing out. Kisses.